hard to believe how fast life moves, isn't it? Between work, family, and everything else we juggle, it's easy to push things off, like cleaning out the garage or finally donating the clothes you swear you're gonna fit into again. Who's got time? But there are some things you should never put off, like locking the front door at night. That's something I always make time for because it protects my family. And just like locking that door, having life insurance is one of the best ways to protect the people you love. And the best part, getting it is easier than you might think. With guaranteed acceptance and no medical exams, you can start giving your family the security they deserve, starting today. So here to tell us just how simple it is our trusted friend, Jonathan Lawson from Colonial Penn Life Insurance Company. Welcome back, Jonathan. It's always great to have you.
Thank you, Sherri. It's always great to be here.
So let's get right to it. Why is having life insurance something we should act on now instead of pushing it off?
Well, Sherri, life is unpredictable, and it's as simple as that. Every day, families are left to pick up the pieces after the loss of a loved one. If something were to happen tomorrow, your family could be left covering unexpected costs from out-of-pocket funeral expenses, unpaid medical bills, or even credit card debt. Having a Colonial Penn guaranteed acceptance whole life insurance policy in place gives you instant peace of mind, and you know your loved ones will be protected no matter what.
Okay, so a lot of people may put this off because they think that they won't qualify or that they're gonna need to see a doctor. Can you help put their minds at ease?
Of course. This policy offers guaranteed acceptance. So if you're between the ages of 50 through 85, you automatically qualify. And get this, there are no medical exams, no blood tests, no doctor visits, and no health questions. Even if you have a pre-existing condition, you'll be approved for a policy. Acceptance is guaranteed. And Colonial Penn makes it simple for your family, too. When the time comes, your loved ones will receive a cash benefit of up to $30,000 to spend however they wish. It will be there ready for them when they need it.
You know, with how expensive things are today, that kind of support could make a huge difference for a family going through a hard time.
Absolutely. Sherri, funeral expenses alone can reach nearly $10,000 these days. That's why having a policy in place is so important. Your loved ones could receive up to $30,000 to help cover those costs. But they can also use it for medical bills or unpaid debts. It's their choice how they use the money. You just have to make sure it's there. And Colonial Penn can help you do that.
I love this. So, Jonathan, let's talk about costs. Now, if someone is on a fixed income or a tight budget, can they still get coverage?
Yes. We want customers to have powerful policies and practical prices. That's why our coverage options start for this policy at $9.95 a month. Whether you want to leave a little extra cushion for your family or cover just the basics, you can choose the right amount of coverage for you and your budget. Plus, once you're insured, your rate is locked in for life. So your premiums will never increase and your coverage will never decrease due to age or health. And we also offer flexible payment options, giving you the freedom to choose how to pay your premium.
So you're saying anyone ages 50 to 85 can get this coverage? No medical exams, no health questions?
Yes. We believe everyone deserves the chance to leave their family with some financial protection. This policy guarantees acceptance for ages 50 through 85, even if you have pre-existing conditions. And you'll be approved without a medical exam or any health screenings. Remember, coverage options start at $9.95 a month, and as long as you pay your premiums, your coverage is locked in and cannot be canceled. It really is a powerful policy. As you may remember, before I became their spokesperson, I was a Colonial Penn life insurance agent for 10 years. So I've worked with people from all walks of life and helped them secure coverage they needed. I even helped those who had been putting it off. Sherri, I am passionate about this product. I've seen the peace of mind that it can bring people who thought they may never qualify for life insurance.
I love that, Jonathan. Okay, so now if someone's ready to take that step and help protect their family, how do they get started?
Sherri, it's simple. All you have to do is call 800-399-0322. Colonial Penn licensed insurance agents are standing by to help you find the right policy. Now, if you're eligible when you call 800-399-0322, you could have your policy by the time you hang up. It only takes a few minutes of your time to find the coverage that lasts a lifetime. Just call the number on your screen to get started.
Well, there you have it. With guaranteed acceptance and no medical exams, there is no excuse to put off life insurance any longer. Call 800-399-0322 now. You could lock in your policy in just one phone call.
Exactly. Colonial Penn has been offering peace of mind for over 60 years, and we're ready to help you today. To lock in financial protection for your family's future, just call 800-399-0322. Again, that's 800-399-0322.
Jonathan, thank you so much for joining us again. It is always a pleasure to have you here. We hope to see you again soon.
Thanks for having me, Sherri.
We'll be right back.